Welcome back, tea enthusiasts.
This is my corner tea bar, but actually my patio, my backyard, my patio, my front yard. What is it? The side yard? It's the side yard.
Side yard.
What we have today is another Mr. Mopar sample. I'm pretty sure this one is one of the ones that he sells because he sent us some stuff that he doesn't sell the other day, like that essence of tea.
Teahouse tribute.
Yeah, the one we didn't like. We were like, nah. So, oh, the sun's coming out. Yes, we were like in darkness for a second. Um, so the tea, I broke it. It was very compacted into very hard. If you hear something on the background, that's the dog playing around. Very compacted pieces. The disclaimer is we don't know anything about anything, nothing, and therefore, from nothingness, we drink the tea, and then we're like, is it good or not? So that just doesn't include any biases. But if you don't like it, you'll be able to tell. Well, because when we like it, we're like, yeah, and that is a very subjective thing because it's all about taste. Different people have different tastes, and being new to the Sheng world, there will be a learning curve. Just like when you start drinking coffee or you start drinking anything, you need to learn. So this is just gonna be the rinse. You saw how quick I'm gonna do the rinse just to get an introduction. I smelled the tea and dried. I didn't get anything from it. Well, the classic background Sheng Puer. There is that yeah, of course. There is that a little bit of a citrusy aroma and that leathery old book, classic aged. I don't know if you want to smell
before
that.
I try it. What's funny is that now that we're using insulated cups for this video, I don't trust the temperature of the water. I don't know if I'm going to burn my tongue or not.
Yeah, I did that because it's kind of cold. It says that it was 38 degrees, so that's near freezing.
Yeah, very classic Shang smell. A little hint of a bit of a milky flavor somewhere in there. Smoky smell. I mean,
Milky.
smell. Yeah.
I think you can taste that too.
Yeah. Milky teas are always good, especially when they don't actually have milk in them. It's my opinion, at least.
Yeah, hopefully it remains during the steeps and it's not just a
Rinse them.
rinse characteristic. But that said, this rinse is good, so we'll drink it all, not just toss it. If you see us tossing a rinse, you know that we may not be very impressed by the tea. But this was good.
I had a small sip of it, and I got that same exact feeling and taste of warm milk. Small sip, yeah.
Yeah, it's got that round, like it's got a body. This thing,
Thick.
It's a thick tea.
Yeah.
There will definitely be a sweet aftertaste. Now that I'm drinking it more, it actually has a very nice aftertaste. This is the color of the brew.
From what I can see, her has a very golden color.
Yeah. It has a very mellow taste, zero astringency, or bitterness.
Yeah. That thickness is still there.
That silkiness
Yeah. Silky.
texture, kind of like a milk would be silky. Nice. I don't get any fruity notes or floralness. Yeah, I don't pick up any hay or kind of like dry grass or uh, earthy nothing. Um, like some aged Sheng can be very similar to Heicha, even in color. This one does not have that profile. Is definitely not as intense in flavors, but we'll push that a little bit further now with crazy water. So yeah, I think that this being the second steep
Yes.
will give us a better profile. I think I'll do that and then we'll do one more just in case it opens up anything else. But it's a very simple profile. It's not very complex in any way. It doesn't have a lot of change in anything, and I'm not really perceiving anything beyond the classic. And for that I have again the aroma wheel and oh, that's the doggy. You get to see the doggy.
Doggy dog.
No spicy, nothing. Fresh candy fruit, nothing. Marine, nothing. Mineral. I think it has some minerality on it. Earthy, not really. Not. It's not woody either. Not very herbaceous. Not floral. Nutty and milky. Yeah, it's kind of a little milky and sweet. And it had a little bit of a toast smoky flavor in the beginning, and there is, in my opinion, not spicy, cooling anything. I don't know if you want to look at those. Water is starting to boil. Let's heat it. I am piercing that pancreas. You know what I mean? When you just get the water there and mechanically upset the tea. A little bit too cold out here, but it's nice. It's a nice day. Beautiful background too. Put a little bit more fire in it.
I don't know. I can't put a label on a taste for some reason.
Really?
No. It's very distinct in my opinion. Like I can't compare it to any other teas. Maybe some of the Shanks we had in the beginning.
Is it impressive or not? To me, maybe I like more flamboyant, flavors. It's nice to drink, and it's a very welcoming, easy to drink tea. But it's not very complex or like, oh my god, whoa, kind of a tea.
Yeah. It has a little bit of a darker hint, but it's still very gold. Bit of an amber color.
And it will still be a old furniture kind of, old book.
Definitely. You know what this smell reminds me of?
What is it?
Like yeah, like a furniture store, like an antique shop.
Yeah, exactly like an antique shop. Hey, weirdo, come here. Come here. What are you doing there? Hmm? It does not smell like my dog. The dog smells very good. I just showered him yesterday. So this one is double darkness, like as twice as dark as the previous one. And Yeah, that old tea is there.
That was
H.
just
Chang classic.
truck passing by.
Yeah, it was the neighbors. Everyone has a truck here. Definitely astringent now.
Yeah, that has a very shangy smell. Can't describe it as anything else.
Yeah, but it's still good. So I would say more temperature, less time, or more time, less temperature, depending on what you want to open up. And now that it is being brewed like that, I would say that it does have way more room for it to age deeper. It's almost to me that this was not a wet storage. It was more like um, a drier storage. But I don't know much about it, and that's all I have to say. You know, just based on what people have told me or what I've read, I expect wet storage to be more on the hecha side, and this one is not. It's pretty good like this too. You know, I like it. So when you don't want to drink like a very sweet floral tea, this kind of stuff you want to drink.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, so for the future, I just got a bunch of teas from Stone Leaf Teahouse, and so we got a lot to go through. That's why I'm posting as often, and we're trying to not spend too much time editing and just kind of like just put them out there. You know, just upload them, and there you go. You know, have a good day, and see you next time.
See ya.
What's going on with you?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with you? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?